All right, so let's get it started. Here we are, Animal Kingdom. Sweet looking. Look at these guys. Yeah, him. Him. That is right, looking down at him. Oh, I'm gonna get a copyright strike for that damn Cindy Lauper, but you know what? I'll mute that shit later, real quick. Back to the mission.
Got the price list. We're good.
What they want for old Sergeant Slaughter?
Not what I'm spending. I got my hello in. We good.
Very similar to this guy in terms of like parts and stuff, but it's a black cat with like new.
But that'll do weight 5.
That'll do weight 5. That's way bigger easier.
Look at these guys.
So I'd say it's in those three. I was.
Probably in the winter time. And these probably won't be until next year. I'm thinking it's going to roll over to next year, but they're hoping it gets here at the end of the year.
When they get, we don't do the Kickstarter, will they be on the website?
Yes, they will. They're actually not up on our Kickstarter just yet. So once they are,
I'll be right there for a second.
I'm thinking probably get this stuff maybe the Wednesday to be confirmed, but check the website. Put it
it'll be updated.
let everybody know.
That is some cool stuff right there.
Yeah, there's $50 purchase. Nice. Yeah, we had them around the hotel too.
Very nice. Very nice.
Around the hotel too. Those and some hamburgers. People are like, I don't know if I should take them.
Yeah, it took me a little bit of navigating to find the
Yeah. Awesome.
honestly, I'll get a chance to this morning.
Oh, she looks awesome back there. Sweet looking. Nice looking.
I noticed that they are.
Thank you.
You want to get nuts? Come on! Let's get